what would happen is children that were snoring would have a sleep study. And if that sleep study showed the child had obstructive sleep apnea, then they would get referred on to an ENT to have their tonsils and adenoids removed. So what they did in this research is they had a group of kids, about 120 children or thereabouts, that had gone through that process, and they were lining up to have their surgery. Now, before they did the surgery, they got in the pediatric development specialists, psychologists, psychiatrists, etc., and they did assessments of these children for ADHD.